Disorders of circulatory system. High blood pressure. Hypertension is the term for blood pressure higher than the normal. Normal blood pressure कितना होता है 120/80 सिस्टोल बाय डायस्टोल. In this measurement 120 mm of Hg यानी कि millimeter of mercury pressure, mm of Hg is millimeter of mercury pressure is systolic and or pumping pressure, and 80 mm of Hg is diastolic or resting pressure. If repeated checks of blood pressure of an individual is 140/90, 140/90 or higher, it shows hypertension यानी कि high BP. The high blood pressure leads to heart disease and also affects the vital organs like brain and kidney. वाइटल ऑर्गन जैसे कि ब्रेन एंड किडनी को अफेक्ट करता है. यानी कि जो हमारा नॉर्मल बीपी होता है दैट इज 120/80 इज अ नॉर्मल बीपी, दिस इज सिस्टोलिक एंड दिस इज डायस्टोलिक. अगर रेगुलर चेकअप्स में 140/90 आता है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड हाइपरटेंशन, दिस इज हाइपरटेंशन. ठीक. देन कम्स कोरोनरी आर्टरी डिजीज. Coronary artery disease is what? Coronary artery disease often is called arteriosclerosis, is often referred to as arteriosclerosis, affect the vessels that supply the bloods to the heart muscle. Coronary artery को vessels that supplies the blood to the heart muscle. It caused by deposition of calcium, fat, cholesterol and fibrous tissue which makes the lumen of the arteries narrow. Angina. Angina is called angina pectoris. Angina को हम लोग angina pectoris कहेंगे. The symptom of acute chest pain appears, यानी कि angina pectoris में symptom acute chest pain appears when no enough oxygen is reaching the heart muscles. Angina can occur in a man and woman of any age, but it is more common among the middle aged. ये middle age में जो है वो ज़्यादा common होता है. And elderly. It occurs due to conditions that affect the blood flow. It occurs due to condition जो कि blood flow को affect करता है. Heart failure. Heart failure means the state of heart when it is not pumping. Heart failure means the state of heart when it is not pumping the blood effectively enough to meet the needs of the body. It is sometimes called congestive heart failure because the congestion of lung is one of the main symptoms of the disease. क्योंकि यहाँ पे congestion of lung जो है the main symptom of disease. Heart failure is not the same as cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest में when the heart stops beating. Cardiac arrest यानी कि when the heart stops beating, and heart attack मतलब when the heart muscle is suddenly damaged by inadequate blood supply. So thank you so much. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब for more such videos. Thank you so much.